Hey, it's Mr. Johns. Welcome to the second episode of Terraria. What I've learned so far is I can eat a mushroom to gain some health back. It's difficult to climb ropes. And I'm not very good. So those are the things I've learned so far. My goal in this video is to get to the end of the level, whether there's a boss or a door or something. Also, just learned that you can roll your mouse wheel and select your items. So, okay, that's good. That's going to make things a bit easier. So we're going to go ahead and climb up this icy mountain. I remember this, got here before in video 1, died shortly after. Pretty sure. Here comes a penguin, and you would think a penguin would be your friend. Not really sure why the penguin's not my friend. But I'm gonna take his head off, and you know, it's the way life is tough, man. Okay, so I wish I could just get to that other side. Do I have like a shooting rope, or can I throw a rope over there? Oof. Yeah, but how do I jump that far? Dun da da. Yeah, no. Okay. So now what? Am I out of rope? Snow block, seeds, rope. I have more rope. Can I throw a rope? I have what's it say? 134 ropes? I don't know what all this is. So, oh, that's a shuriken. Just going in through that. But I'd like to toss my rope up. Boo, boo, boo. I don't want to go down. I want to go up. Looks like I'm going down, however. So let's make sure we're back on our copper short sword. So we can at least attack these slimes. Come back here. Hey, come back here. You have to admit the slimes are kind of cute. So, kind of the base level enemies. But they're annoying. They jump all over you. So, and once I get over here, I don't think I can really do much anyway. And it's too dark, again, for me to see much. And I just don't see my way out. Pretty sad, isn't it? Like, I can't handle 3 little slimes. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get out of here. Well, I'm gonna figure out how to survive first. I don't have any more mushrooms, and I'm about ready to die. That was pretty much it. So, my body was mangled by ice slimes. And then it gives you a countdown, and it throws you back, I believe, at the beginning. So, I'm not really sure. Yeah. At the beginning. Is that my grave right there? Yeah, I got impaled by a zombie right there on March 12th. That was yesterday. Does it keep track of all my deaths? They're going to be everywhere. Well, so the starting over part kind of sucks, but I assume it expects me to be better than this, so I can make it further. I don't like climbing these ropes. I have a hard time. Let me check this chest again. I'm not sure if there's nothing in it. Just not very good at climbing that, but that time it worked okay. And there's so much more I don't know about the game. All this crafting stuff over here. This is camera mode, housing, and equipment. What is that? Don't know. I can hide it, it looks like. Okay. So, we are back down. Doesn't look like there's a distance I can't jump. I don't take any damage for falling so far. Come here, little ice slime. It's got a really good, it's got real good movement. The ice slime bounces around just enough to keep you on your toes. Okay, so now we want to go up, A, old, A, off. Okay. I don't know what else I can do for health. I do not know anything. Here comes an ice slime. He can, oh, he can bounce across the top. He floats. I sink. All right, now this time, can I make it across? There's got to be a way just to go across the top of that. I already have a rope over there, so where can I put another rope? Can I not throw? It just spins. Why is that? Why is that a spinny rope? +3 range. Can be placed. Can be climbed on. Well, that's what I'm trying to do. Can't throw it? Oh, that's interesting. You right click, you drop it. I need to get over there though. Jump. Okay, now if I don't fall down and I do another rope, where are my ropes? Crafting. Don't know any of that stuff. I was thinking maybe I could get a rope. My ropes disappeared. Did I throw all my ropes? Crap, I have to go down here to get my ropes. Okay, that spoiled everything. And there's like a little jar or something right there. I need to somehow... Come on, slime. And I think I need a pickaxe to do anything with the snow. So I'm trying to get this guy off my case so I can maybe use a pickaxe to get whatever that jar is. But they keep coming. I just killed one. Come on. Boom, boom. Boom. Oh, not looking good. There's no health potions. He hits me every time. I need to back up a little bit. There we go. And there we go. Now, if I could switch to a pickaxe, how do I get back up here? Pickaxe. It's not letting me switch between... I don't have a pickaxe. I only have an axe. Where'd my pickaxe go? Pickaxe is how I got through snow. Well, what can I craft? I don't know how to do any of that. I don't want to craft a workbench. No, thank you. I just want to survive. Help. 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 Wand of Sparking. Fallen Star. I don't know what Fallen Star is. Ammo. Material. Disappears after the sunrise. Here's my pickaxe. Why is it way down there? So my pickaxe... Oh, it has to be in the top. It wasn't. It was in my inventory, but not in my numbered, my active. So now I should be able to choose it. Should I not? How do I get out of crafting window? That's so weird. It's a little awkward to learn. Let's see if I can get through to that, whatever it is up there, but there we go. I'm not sure what it was, though. Or if I got it. I think I just broke it. Okay. Well, I don't see any way out of here except for maybe... See if I can keep my pickaxe in my hand. It's not the best weapon, probably. I don't want to be trapped in this corner, but I want to see if I can dig out. I don't think I can. Not good. I think I'm stuck. And the pickaxe does work as a weapon, but I'm not sure if it hits as well. Haven't had a chance to look. Okay, he's gone. Come on. He's gone. Now, no more spawn. No more ice. ice slimes. No more. How do I get out? I don't get out. I'm stuck forever. And I don't see this opening over here anywhere. I think my only way out is ropes, of which I am not so good at. And can I rope and continue to rope? Let's see, what do I got here? Can I throw a rope there? Just, no. Why can't I rope? Boop. Boop, 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 boop. Alright, I'm going to have to watch some videos. I was going to try to figure this out myself, but I need some help. Did I just place a rope there? That is so weird. Oh, these are like rope lengths. How weird is that? Okay, well that worked. That worked. That was weird. It did look different. Those rope lengths looked a little different. So, okay, maybe... so you click to attach more ropes. Okay. And then what? I can't jump through the ice. Can I? That'll probably just take me down if I do that. Oh, maybe not. Once the rope's there, it's there. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. Maybe we're getting somewhere. Let's go back to rope. Oh. Okay. Making progress, but can I didn't know I could do that. But how do I add on to the bottom of a rope? I can add on to the top of a rope. Okay, making great progress. But then why does it maxes out at something and I don't know what that is? Yes. Oh, dun dun dun, bum 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 bum. I feel so accomplished and exhausted at the same time. Holy cow, man! All that work. Go, go, go. Okay, don't die now. After all that, like, I feel good. I feel good. I made it 2 minutes into the game, but getting better. That's what it's all about, and having fun. So come on, little ice slime baby. All right, let me look ahead, see what's going on. Oh, I can't get through there. I have to go up. So, okay, and all right, coming down the mountain. Oh, okay, we're back to a okay, some kind of weird flying pinchy monster. I'm gonna jump and go over to the fall area, and there's some kind, oh, a squirrel. I guess everything's an enemy in this game. Whoa, here he comes. Here he comes. A slime and a pinchy monster. I guess I'll find out what it's called when I beat it, or it beats me, and it'll say defeated by a pinchy monster. Apparently I don't want to go in the dark. I need some ropes, but oh my gosh. Really? That many at once? That seems excessive. Okay, 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 fine. Yeah, they're picking on me, man. Look at that. I got snapped in half. Eater of souls. Oh, that means I have to start over. No. No! Mr. John's out.